Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the insulation in your canopy vent hood, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Place a blanket over the cooktop to protect the surface. Rotate the access panel down. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the two screws securing the panel. Fully unthread the screws to release the panel. Remove both grease filters. Use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screws to release the filter frames. Next, unthread the screws to release the blower assembly cover. Unthread the screws securing the light assembly panel. Slide the panel back to detach. Disconnect the light assembly wire connectors and set the panel aside. For easier access to install the insulation, unthread the screws securing the control housing to the mounting rail. Detach the power supply cable from the retaining clip and move the control housing off of the mounting rail. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release the tabs to disconnect the main control assembly wire connector. You can now pull the old insulation free of the retaining brackets. Install the new insulation by aligning it in the hood under the retaining brackets. With the insulation in place, reconnect the control assembly wire connector. Then reposition the control housing on the mounting rail and secure the power supply cable in the retaining clip. Thread and tighten the screws to secure the housing. Reinstall the light assembly panel by first connecting the wire connectors. Realign the panel. Slide it forward, then thread and tighten the screws. Reposition the blower assembly cover and secure it with the screws. Realign the grease filter frames and rethread the screws to secure. Replace the grease filters. Align the access panel on the hinges. Then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Once the rear of the panel is secured, rotate the panel up and snap it into position. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.